Friday, the 6th of March, 2026. I've been trying to go live, but something's not working right. I've tried 2 different phones and it's just not working right. Anyway, we're at the racetrack here at US Highway 441, I-16, just south of Dublin. This looks like it's going to be pretty active for a while. I don't know how late, but more active than not more active than the Loves up the road, but that's the first Loves I've been to it I didn't like. I didn't even stay. But I have stayed at this racetrack before. I like it. The pizza was good. You got at least one feral cat that I have already fed. So I was trying to go live, but it just wasn't letting me, wasn't cooperating. I couldn't get it to set horizontal. I couldn't get it to get past I had it set, not made for kids, but then it just would not let me get past that. So we're just going to do this, let it run a bit, and then upload it. We've got a good connection here. I've uploaded about 5 20-minute videos, or about 4. So this one will upload quickly when we get finished with it. I'll just let it run, let y'all see it. Got a side entrance over here. They've got tables in there, and this one is a truck stop racetrack. Truck stop is back here in the back. Can't tell how many trucks are back there. But on the inside, they've got tables to sit down. They've got a trucker display of products. They've got a good selection of food and drinks. They've got that little swirl soft ice cream. I might go in there and get a small cup of that, but we'll see. But I think we'll just let it run, and then we'll upload it. I may try another live one after a while, I don't know. I had to close up all the phones and then try it again. I don't know if it's something I'm missing or whether it's, whether the app's not working right. I don't do enough live to know what I'm doing, and I've always had trouble with getting them live. Trying to, whether it's horizontal or vertical. It's already settled down a good little bit. What time is it? Let's see, it's 10:30. It's 65 degrees. 63 degrees. We'll be heading back to Athens tomorrow. Athens Arcade, whatever you want to call it, headed back. I should have got it going a while ago. It was really busy here a while ago. West is to our right, east is to our left. I-16 is behind us. That should orient you. Little Ocmulgee River State Park is right down the road. I don't know, maybe 10 miles. I don't know if it's quite that far or not. And that is 441 right there to the right. Windshield is slapped full of bugs. When we left Morgan Lake over south of Ludowici this afternoon, the windshield was clean. we'll clean it again in the morning before we leave. I think we'll go into Dublin and get out the Insta 360 X5 and do some video. We've got a lot of video to get uploaded. We have to do sort of shorts, 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, 7 minutes, about the longest on the Insta 360 because the file size is so big. And what we've been doing is doing it the full 360 virtual reality immersive video. So if you have a pair of goggles, headset, it puts you right into it. Otherwise, you can take your thumb and move it around on your phone or your mouse on the computer, or you can just move your phone around to see the full 360 view. I've got to learn more about how to do it to make the videos better, but it's really got a lot of really good potential. I've got to get the I got to get the drone squared back away or get another one. It is out of date, but I haven't updated the firmware. So I've asked the girl, and I don't know, I guess I need to contact somebody more knowledgeable than AI. But she said I may have fallen in between a crack and not have to have the transmitting software for it. This one is not set up for that. It's so old, but it's still a good drone. And you have to buy an external unit that transmits that identification itself. But since mine doesn't have the firmware updated or I hadn't flown the thing in a couple of years, she said mine may not have to have that. Like it's sort of like grandfathered, but I don't know. Before I start flying it around and have a $70,000 fine, I've got to find out. I couldn't afford that. I think that's what she said it was. I thought the fine started at $7,500, but you know, she's not right about everything. I wonder if these three are together. Sometimes they come in groups. Yeah, but they've got tables outside here. They've got electric plugs outside. They've got fans out there for you. I don't know if they've got Wi-Fi here or not. They probably do, since they got all that set up. Need to ask them, I guess. I need to take my computer up there and start downloading stuff, but I'll be back in Athens tomorrow. I'm gonna have to order a SSD. Guess I'll go ahead and get that 4 terabyte one. Thing's about $500. I've been putting it off for months, deleting a lot of my video. I'm now getting video on Pond 5. There's stock video footage, and also on Redbubble stock photography, and also posters, you know, t-shirts, hats, cups, mugs, shower curtains, all kind of stuff. You can take an image and make stuff out of it. I think I've got some good stuff this weekend, or this week. Blue Bridge, St. Simon's Lighthouse, some trees, different things that ought to do well on Redbubble. It's supposed to be 83 tomorrow, 63 tomorrow night. And my HVAC module with the fan switches that I just have replaced, it's quit working. So I don't know whether the fan motor is drawing too much electricity and shorting the switch out. I replaced the resistor and that module switch. And I did jump the fan off. The fan was working fine, but the fan may be pulling too much juice and burning up the switch. I don't know how to go about getting this thing fixed, but you don't have hardly heat, very little heat or air with it like it is. So I've got to get it fixed. And I've got 3 of these vans now, the 2019, the 2000, and the 98. I'm going to sell one and keep one as a primary and one as a backup. So, got to get that done. So far, I've only seen that one feral cat here. Usually where there's one, there's more. Zoom in so you can see a little bit better, but then it narrows down what you can see. And she's taking a selfie of herself doing something. I don't know. How much is gas here? We've seen gas anywhere from $2.90 to $3.19 on this road trip. And like I said, it had gotten down. I'd been getting it for about $2.50. But since the Iran deal, it's gone back up. Yeah, I should have got this going sooner, but I was uploading video. It's slacked off a lot now. If there's a local high school game somewhere around basketball or something other, it may pick up about 11:30. Of course, it's getting close to that now, isn't it? Well, 20 till 11. I think we're going to walk in and look for either get a small cup of that swirl ice cream and put some of them things on it, or either see if they've got a Klondike bar. I'll go in and leave this running. I may do a little jig for you when I come back out. Dance a little jig for you. Well, let's walk in. Okay, I was gonna do a little jig, but that truck just came in and they were waiting on me to cross. That would have looked sort of goofy, me doing a jig. Okay, let's wrap this up and get it uploaded.